It is perfectly natural for everyone to become a little indecisive when trying to make major life changing decisions. However, if day to day decisions are causing you to become indecisive, our subliminal messaging album can give you an inner strength boost and allow you to do this for your indecisiveness. Make decision making easy with the quick decision maker subliminal album and see for yourself what a positive difference it can make in all areas of your life. Ladies and gentlemen, you are about to listen subliminal music. This subliminal music contains subliminal messages. A subliminal message is any piece of information which is sent beyond the limit of human perception. However, the subliminal messages still get processed by your subconscious mind. In this way, positive changes can be made without your pre existing self beliefs getting in the way and without holding you back. Listen to our album while relaxing or even play them in the background while doing your daily tasks, and the messages will begin to enter your mind by creating this focus of information being received. You can make lasting positive changes in your mind and to your life, changes which will give you a mental edge towards pursuing your goals. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Dr. Santosh Parab and clicking on notification bell for more subliminal hypnosis and motivational videos. So let's begin.